This is a junk vacuum motor. It's basically burned up now. Pretty much every vacuum motor is the same thing, so any vacuum motor would have worked here. But this was just on junk vacuum, and I ended up meeting another YouTuber and ended up here locally, pretty close together. His channel is called Variac Maniac, so we got together, we blew some things up, including this. We ended up putting like 480 volts into this 120 volt motor. It was sparking and everything, and he had this video of it. I might see if I can get it from my channel, but if not, I guess you can go to his when he gets his up. Anyways, I'm gonna try and see what damage is on this thing. If I can get this thing apart. You might need a little persuasion. I don't see anything else holding it together. I'm trying to pry this top thing off. I think the bearing's stuck on there. There we go. Geez, it smells like crap. Bearing thing. Bearing doesn't sound too bad. Windings are a little bit toasted there. That winding doesn't look too bad. Rotor doesn't look terrible. And there's yuck. You can see the mounted there, the wire mounted. The insulation melted off the wire, and then the wire melted open there. All those copper balls on there, that's kind of cool. That one doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna get a clipper. Clip these brush wires. Those are kind of melted there. The brush holder's kind of messed up. You can tell the heat from the brushes. Let's take the coil off. So there's the coil. You can see a few copper balls on that one side. There's a bunch more there. It smells like burnt stuff. See what the rotor commutator looks like. I'll try and get a little more light here. Then there's copper mounted back by the brush there. It sounds kind of crunchy. That's just a blade though, I think. I don't know how fast this thing was going on 480, but it didn't take too long to destroy it. The rotor windings are pretty well shot too, because most of the top looks okay, but you can see all the open connections there to go into the brushes. Those all suspect most of those failed, and eventually it started making more and more heat, and more failed, and kind of a domino effect. Top of it looks okay though. I think a lot of that issues, the brush is making so much heat there, it melted the wires, and you can see all the soot and stuff there. It was sparking, it almost looked like somebody was welding and stuff. and it started smoking shortly after it died.